This week the EURUSD has fallen in value. What we can see on the chart, we can see that the price has fallen up to 1.08846, which is a demand zone, a support level for the price, where the price has started to move on Tuesday with strong bearish candle. We can see that the price has gone from this supply zone around 1.09860 and it has fallen down up to here almost to 1.083, but it has stopped at 1.084, which was mentioned in the previous week analysis. Now if we take a look on the weekly time frame, we will see how this looks. We can see that the prices after the previous week has returned back up, make a retrace after the price has made a bearish breakout to the downside. The price returned back up, confirmed the previous support, now acting as a resistance, and it has continued to move down as it was expected, and the price just stopped at 1.08846, a support level. We can see that the week has stretched all the way up to down 1.084, which we have seen on the daily time frame, and it has not closed below this demand zone. Now if we go to the weekly time frame, we can see how this looks on the monthly. We can see that the prices reached almost the final support level 1.083, which was mentioned in the previous week analysis, and the price has retraced from this area, from this demand zone, and it has closed at 1.08947, it currently is. So we have around 2 more weeks until this month ends, so everything's still open. We need to go to the weekly and also daily time frame to see much more clearly where the price could go next week. But for now, as it looks on the monthly time frame, we can see a strong bearish candle that has formed on the chart, and it has stopped just here where the small support levels are, in between 1.09860, which is a resistance level, and below 1.07825. For now, the very critical level for the price, we can see first one is 1.088, then it is 1.086, and then 1.083, which was mentioned in the previous analysis as a very important support levels for the price. So on the monthly time frame, we can see still bearish candle, but we will see what happens until the month ends. As it looks right now, everything looks that the price could be close below 1.09860, not going above. But in 2 weeks, anything can happen, and also the price can reverse back up in a day or two and also make a breakout to the upside. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that the very important level is still 1.086 and also 1.083 level. The price did not close below this demand zone and also this support level, which is also a very important signal for the price. For now, it will be very important to wait until the price makes a breakout to the downside or to the upside from this area where the price currently is. So what we can see, a very important level for the bulls is still 1.0947. We can see it here on the weekly time frame. If the price closes on the weekly time frame above this price level next week, this will mean that the price will try to make a breakout above 1.09860, a strong supply zone where we have a confluence of resistance with this trend line resistance level, this monthly trend line, the strong blue one, and also this horizontal resistance level for the monthly time frame. Now if we go on the daily time frame, which shows us a much more clear information of what's happening on the market, we can see that the price currently has reached the lower side of this demand zone and did not close below, which means the bulls have enough strength to hold the price above, and they have pushed even on a Friday the price above 1.09946, which is a very close upper side of this demand zone. So this is a very important level for the bulls. And if the price closes below 1.0873, we can see it here on the chart, the lower side where these 4 candles have open and closed price. If the price goes below that, this will mean that 1.083 is the next target, and this is the next support level for the price on the daily time frame. If the price goes above, the next level that the price needs to break is first one is 1.094, which we can see here a small resistance level in between 1.09860 and 1.08846. So this is a very important level that needs to be broken to the upside in order to continue and also try to make a breakout above 1.09860. Until that happens, we need to wait and see how the markets react, but these are very important levels for the price. This one here for the bulls, and also this one here is for the sellers. I will also make the daily analysis inside the trading community I have on the Get No Trading website. You can see a link below the description. So if you would like to check the daily analysis and also when something happens, some kind of a breakout on the market, I also make analysis and also point where is the next target of the day. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.